Okay, ganda.
Hi.
Okay.
This morning, that was my twin. I'm the twin sister.
Actually, double personality po siya. Dual personality.
I know.
Ang ganda ng likod. Sandali muna, Tay. You know what? For the benefit of our viewers
Yes,
today,
yes.
tingnan nga natin, pakita mo yung likod.
Bakit?
Para home high school, ang katawan.
Anong parang high school? Parang dartboard.
Okay, tapos harap tayo. Parang high school superintendent.
Principal.
Actually, ang
Oh,
sexy.
thank you, June.
Oh my gosh.
Palakpakan niyo naman si June Guzman, our very own MC as well. Been with us since year one, both of us.
I know, 19 years.
19 years.
Oh my gosh, you know what?
Gosh.
Actually, we started when we were like this.
Yeah, I'm still like this. Sige, kantaan muna natin sila.
Okay, ito po, mga kaibigan na Tina, are we ready?
Please. Yeah.
Actually, we have to rehearse this.
Okay, let's have fun. Come on, everybody. Clap, 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 clap. Come on. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Yeah.
Okay, we have lots of giveaways here, so please don't go away. All we have to do is join us in the fun.
Yep.
We may ask you to test.
Ay, ulit. There we go. Palakpakan tayo para masaya. Everybody. Yeah. And you can dance. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Already knew that I stay. There's nothing left to compare. The sight of you makes me weak. There are no words left to speak. Letting you feel like what I feel. Please let me know that it's real. You're just too cute to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Yeah, come on, everybody, come on. Yep. Stay with us. If you know this. I love you, baby, and it's quite alright. I need you, baby. You want my lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down. I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you.
You're just too good to do. Can't take my eyes out of you. You'd be like heaven to touch.
Mahulog ako.
Oh, I wanna hold you so much. As long as love's right. And I think I'm alive. You're just too good to do. Can't take my eyes out of you.
Don't bring me down, I pray, oh pretty baby. Now that I found you safe, let me love you, baby. Let me love you. Thank you.
Alright, pumalakpakan na ho kayo dahil next time may bayad na. Okay, libre lang ho yung performance na yun.
Bakit ang daming bata dito? Wala pang babysitter yan? Yan?
Mahal ang babysitter na yan, tayo.
Nasaan ang mga ina nito, ha?
Mahal. Okay, shall we call on Miss Cardi here to join us on stage?
Kasi halika dito, ha?
Miss Cardi. Army was actually Miss Philippines 1925.
Yes. Circa 1925. And we're gonna raffle some beautiful, let's raffle this one.
Okay, this is me today after 15 plastic surgery.
15?
15 and counting. Okay. Ayos ba?
Sige, bunot.
Hindi, bunot. Para dito, level. Ano ba
Oh my gosh! Alam
Yes.
mo itong Neffel?
Ano yan? Sige,
Yung
explain
gamit
level.
na may kuryente.
Hindi,
Ito ba
ang
yun?
level, kapag ka hindi puno, hindi full.
Neffel. Sige, anong number yan?
046352.
The last three digits.
is
352. Going once?
Going twice.
Going three times? 352. One more time. No more?
No more?
Okay, good night. Okay. Bunot. Ay, maganda ito
Okay to ha?
Okay, the number is, the last three digits is 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7.
It starts.
Say bingo if you have it. 1, 4, 7. Wala?
046 is the first three, and then 147.
Okay, draw
right?
another one. Nothing?
Nothing.
Where's your ticket?
Okay, June? Nothing? Sorry?
You know what? Halata eh. Pag walang salamin, hindi naman basa.
Patay ka. Ako na.